Guys, this is about the sine rule. So the sine rule is another great way, just like the cosine rule, another great way to find angles and sides in any triangle. So sometimes the cosine rule is your best option, and other times it's the sine rule that you need to use. It all depends on what sides and angles are given and what you'd like to know more about the triangle. So again, the conventions of the triangle: if this is triangle A, B, C, then opposite A is side A, opposite B is side B, opposite C is side C. Yeah, and I'll just write it up. The cosine rule says C squared is A squared plus B squared, take 2AB cosine C. That's a cosine rule. That's not what we're talking about really, but you know, there it is. The sine rule is a little bit different, and it claims that, well, look at the triangle for a bit. Okay, let's identify where the biggest angle is. The biggest angle is here at C. Now I hope you realize that that means that side C is the longest side. The longest side is opposite the biggest angle, right? The smallest angle is here at A. That means the smallest side of the triangle is opposite that smallest angle. So in other words, there is a relation between the length of the sides and their opposite angle. Or the other way around, there is a relation between the angle and its opposite side. The bigger the angle, the bigger the side. Now what is that relation? That relation is called the sine rule. And the sine rule says that for side A, if you divide the length of side A by the sine of angle A, you get the same proportion, the same fraction as B over sine B. And again, that is the same fraction, same proportion as C over sine C. So the sine rule works in three parts, because a triangle has three sides and three vertices. Yeah. Side A divided by sine A equals side B divided by the sine of B equals side C divided by the sine of C. Now sometimes writing it like this is somehow not convenient. Well, then you just flip it over. You can just as well say sine A over A is sine B over B equals sine C over C, because that's just a reciprocal of this, right? And the fractions will just be turned upside down. So with these identities, you can pick two typically. So maybe you only need this to solve your problem, or you need these two to solve your problem, or you need this one and that one to solve your problem. That's how you use the sine rule. So you pick two of those to solve the specific problem that you have. And with that problem, you might want to find the sine of A, or you might need to find the length of side B, right, given what you have. So let's just pick and choose from here.